Hey everybody, how are you? I hope everybody's doing great, and today it's very close to the main Easter celebration. So I'm gonna show you how to make a bunny. That is one that super fast to make. Everybody likes it. So let's do this. You need one of these balloons. It will be make things much easier, and it's linking balloon or quick link. Two sides where to attach it, and you inflate it something like what, your hand, and you tie it close to the nozzle. I have to tell you also that these balloons is a 10-inch round balloons, but I inflated like, I think this is like 6 inches round. Okay, so then you will need two balloons 260. That's what we call these balloons, and they are both inflated. Well, 5 inches. Let me check. Let me see. Something like 5-finger tail. Yeah, so let's go the first one with 5-finger tail, and what I'm gonna do first is gonna be the feet. So it's just a 3 or 4-finger loop, twist, 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 lock, another 3 or 4-finger loop, twist, 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 lock, and a bubble pinch twist. You cut this, and you have this piece, the leftover, for what is gonna be the arms. So save it. You can put it right here for a moment, and this one, make sure you pass it around a couple of times and tie it so it doesn't, get untwist. Now, this balloon, you're gonna split it in half, but the idea is, here's like 5-finger bubble that you need, for them, kind of like the belly, the body of the bunny. And so you don't want this to get untwist, and one way it's grabbing here 5-finger bubble and then twist it around a couple times. That way it's there secure. And so if you want this to be more straight, so we're gonna make 2 pinch twists. Like, what is a pinch twist? This bubble, and pull and twist it like you are pinching that bubble. And again, another 2-finger bubble, soft and squishable, is gonna make things easier. And I'm gonna grab that bubble, pull and twist. There we go. So then we just have the rest and trying to kind of have the same size, you see? So something like this looks similar. You're gonna pop this and make sure you tie it. So now you have something similar. At the end, one hand totally can be bigger than the other one. There's no, I think I tied it, but it's okay. I think I pop it too much, but it's okay. Maybe if I bend the other one, it's gonna help. And I'm gonna cut the excess, and this one too. Boom. So you have this. Now let's attach the feet, and I hope I can make this under the 10-minute idea for TikTok's videos. And so there we go. You have this. See, I just attached the feet are there, and now for the ears we will need the second balloon 260. And it's okay if it's inflated 5-finger tail. In this case, I made it this way, so then I'm gonna have to lose air because it's gonna be probably too tight. So 5-finger tail 6 is gonna be good enough. You're gonna make something like 6-finger loop, twist, 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 lock, pew, and another 6-finger loop, twist, 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 and then you have the ears. And to make it more stable, you're gonna make 4-pinch twists. Okay, so a bubble. Pull that bubble and twist it, 1-pinch twist. So you need to make 4 of those. 2, 3, and 4. If you want, because you're gonna have more of this left over, you can add more pinch twists. But I think 4 is gonna be good enough. And this time, lose there, and now wrap everything around in order to secure. That's a good idea. If you don't want to keep going, you can always cut the excess, and that's it. I'm not tying it because I don't think it's gonna be necessary. I like 3-pinch twists in the front and 1 or 3 in the back. Is gonna kind of give you that effect. You can always bend to this piece if you want. It's not necessary. And you see, that's why these balloons are cool. You have this tip and makes things easier. If you don't have this piece, you can always use another technique that is not hard, it's not impossible, but it's the only thing is gonna make you just have extra time. So there you go. Now we have the main bunny body, cute ears. You have it now here, space for the face, and this is what I call the Sharpie time, So first we're gonna start with black. And because we have, look, a big space, we're gonna make a big face. So it's gonna be a line, another line, and then circle to define, yes. Okay, and then from here, something like this could be a good idea. Some eyelashes. A lot of what I'm doing, of course, you can make it different and even much better. Don't forget that. I'm just gonna show you how I make it. And then from there, you can always make it your own style and much better. So even here, I already adding the whiskers. And now you can ask the kids, or you can ask someone, what is the favorite color they want for the eyes? And it can be any color. I think I have some blue, so I'm gonna try blue eyes, and I just cover one line around the black that is blue. And then the rest is pretty much gonna be white. Then for the nose, you can play with pink. So I'm gonna go with pink for the nose, and also I can use it for cheeks. So now this is, and then here you can make circles for the cheeks, or you can make it different, of course. Now Sharpie time, white, shaky, because this is liquid, water-based, white Sharpie. So now let's see, just pass it. You can even make the big dots here to make it more, you know, cute, like cuter. And now the other eye, and then the teeth. Now imagine if you have white bunnies, so then this white part, you don't need to use it, you know, it's already gonna be white teeth if the balloon is white. So there you go. This is the design. I hope you like it. Tell me, what do you think? And I'm gonna try to make these kind of short, fast designs, but this one better is gonna be the first tutorial made special for TikTok. So I hope you like it, and if you make it, I don't know, if you can tag me, that would be great, right? So we spread more the joy of balloons, and everybody enjoys this. I think it's not that hard, and it's big. Kids are gonna love it. So let's do it, and don't forget, tag me if you can. Okay, and if you want more designs, more tutorials, and even more detail, go visit and subscribe to my YouTube channel, Cecilia Lady Balloons, because there I have thousands of videos. Now I'm kind of new on TikTok, but on Facebook, YouTube, I'm very, very happy that I've been there 5 years making lots of tutorials. So go check it out, subscribe, like, comments, everything helps. Awesome. Ciao, ciao.